Hello kings and queens, welcome once again to Elizar's kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make my mustard fried chicken. This is a very easy but delicious recipe. Now let's get into it. The ingredients to be using for my mustard fried chicken today is black pepper, salt, cornstarch, all-purpose flour, onion powder, accent, yellow mustard, my all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, parsley flakes, Cajun seasoning, and of course the chicken thighs. Alright guys, so we're gonna add our seasoning, and I'm gonna leave all the measurements in the description box below. But this is my salt. Here's my onion powder, my accent, add my garlic powder, and Elizar's all-purpose seasoning, which has no sodium, so you can use as much as you want. Then I would use my Cajun seasoning as well. Here's my parsley flakes as well. And we are going to lastly add our black pepper. And you're going to make sure you mix all this together until the seasoning is well incorporated or well combined with the chicken. Everything is well combined. We're going to let it sit for about an hour. But before we do that, we'll add our mustard. Okay? We are going to add our mustard on top of this. Mix it well so that your mustard is well incorporated on your chicken thighs. Okay. And we're going to let this marinate for an hour, and we'll come back and fry the chicken. Now onto the flour for coating our chicken, and I'm going to be using 2 cups of the all-purpose flour. Going to be using about 2 tablespoonfuls of cornstarch. And we'll also add the same seasoning that we used to, coat our chicken earlier. Some garlic powder, my onion powder, Cajun seasoning, some of my parsley flakes, also black pepper, take a bit of salt. We're going to make sure we mix all of this together and all the seasonings are incorporated in here. Perfect. We'll get our oil heated and start frying our chicken. Alright guys, so our chicken has been marinating for an hour. Now we're going to cook the chicken, and we do that by adding the chicken to the flour. In the meantime, I have my cast iron skillet on fire with oil, and I'm going to fry the chicken in that. So guys, make sure your oil is well heated. As you can see, all our chicken is coated perfectly, and it's ready to get in that grease. So guys, now that your cast iron skillet is heated to temperature, you can add your chicken. Make sure you do not overcrowd the chicken in there. once or even twice until it's fully done, okay? Make sure that you flip it a couple of times and you take it out of the oil once it's done. Place it somewhere in a different pan to drain off that oil. And we'll add our next batch. In goes our next batch. When you're done, this is how it's supposed to look like. I hope you were inspired to try this recipe, and if you do, let me know. I would love to see your photos.